You might have clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make passive income on YouTube, right? Well, yeah, that's the main purpose of this video, by the way. You might think it's really difficult in getting your channel monetized, but it's actually not that difficult as you'd think it is. So here are 5 tips to help you monetize the channel. Tip number 1, find a niche. Finding a niche is one of the essentials in getting a monetized channel because it helps you know what to create and whom to target as viewers. There are lots of niches on YouTube to choose from. Here are some listed on the screen. Note that every niche has its own income rate. If your viewers are watching from the United States, you will be earning about $5 per day, $35 a week, and $150 a month, which for me is really not that bad. Tip number 2, creating engaging content. After getting your niche down, you'd want to get people to watch your videos and engage with your content, right? So you are thinking, how do I create engaging content? Well, I'll say you get an editor, or if you think you can do it by yourself, then that's fine. Most editing softwares today are really costly, so you could go for free. I recommend using InShot, CapCut, and more other amazing free editing softwares to help you in the meantime before you can afford the paid ones. Tip number 3, use keyword generator tools to get titles and tags for your videos. Tags might not be necessary, but can improve the chances of your video being pushed out. There are lots of websites or applications claiming to provide the best titles and tags for your videos. I would recommend you using vidIQ or TubeBuddy for this. vidIQ has lots of features to help you grow your YouTube channel. You've got nothing to lose here, so try it out. Tip number 4, create outstanding thumbnails. I could bet my kidneys that 99.9% of people click on a video because of the thumbnail. So why not take advantage of this small feature that could basically change your channel in terms of growth? There are lots of applications too that could help you create quality thumbnails for your videos. I'll recommend using Canva or Adobe Photoshop for creating your thumbnails. You'll thank me later. And finally, tip number 5, be consistent and love what you're doing, because there's a difference between doing what you love and doing what you don't love. Doing what you love makes you feel happy and not feeling bored doing it. So be consistent and love what you do. Hope this video helps you get the decent growth you want on your channel. If you feel like this video helped or motivated you, then you could leave a like, sub, or even a comment. It will be really nice of you.